For our society to be sustainable as a whole, there has to be mass participation in sustainable ways of living.
What does it mean to look at a building that can be built out of earth instead of construction materials that came from 1,000 miles away?
We're living in cement jungles now. We're out of touch.
That's why building beautiful buildings is an important thing to do. Beauty is a major part of sustainability, because if a house is beautiful, people will love it and they'll care for it and maintain it for generations instead of throwing it away after decades.
I'm at one extreme, and that's the person doing nothing. And then at the other extreme is the person doing all that they can. And I'm just trying to get closer to that.
Matt and Cindy run a farm where they provide food for the farmers market, and just to see them doing it all on their own, just the two of them, and just seem to be very happy and fulfilled.
It's really motivational to see that people are interested in what we're doing and the type of farming and sustainable practices that we're playing with, and it just makes us want to do this all the more. It's an exciting thing.
Last year, I ate from this land somewhere between 98 and 102 varieties of food, just from this backyard.
What does it mean to have a crop that is sustainable that I then pick and eat?
For at least the last 2 generations, food has been so cheap, and it's going to take some pretty significant things, I would imagine, to bring people around to thinking that, okay, we need to pay American wages to American farmers to keep our food in our country.
And what it really comes back to is people have to get involved in their food.
I did expect to have all kinds of different ideas about sustainability and permaculture and what that means.
Just seeing communities that have actually put it in place.
The word sustainability is thrown around, especially by politicians and bureaucrats, just really willy-nilly.
I think we take for granted too much in our culture the resources that we are wasting.
I think we're kind of at the forefront of something here. Either 2 years from now or 20 years from now, definitely there will be a change.
You can take an earth and make a building out of it in such a way that it'll turn back into earth again. It can become another building.
We're doing it because we love it. It's a philosophy and a way of connecting ourselves to life in a different way that you never get through corporate America.
People in urban areas can do exactly what we're doing here.
We're all in it, trying to do the same thing, and that's what's right. Just by touching and seeing and talking to people.
We're going to become truly sustainable, whether we like it or not, because to do anything less is unsustainable. But what that sustainability is going to look like is the biggest challenge that we face right now.